the spread of the virus. Good evening, I'm Dylan Austin.
And I'm Mackenzie Henderson. We begin tonight with a report of another death due to COVID-19 in Adams County.
The Adams County Health Department says the victim was a woman in her 50s. Along with that, today, the news, 51 new cases reported tonight as well. With that news, the health department says it has also stopped reporting an active case count, blaming a database issue. Now, when we called for clarification, officials declined to elaborate on the problem or tell us how long it would take to fix it. Speaking of active cases, there are 393 across West Central Illinois tonight because of that data error. 412 cases are active in Northeast Missouri and 392 in Lee County, Iowa.
And one more person in McDonough County is dead after testing positive for COVID-19. The health department says the victim was a man in his 70s. That makes 23 total deaths in the county so far.
Oh, from wearing a mask to indoor dining, some people choose to ignore precautions that health officials say could slow the spread of COVID-19.
Still, as more Adams County people get sick and die, there are no plans by local officials to enforce mitigation guidelines.
Well, we get more on this story tonight from WGEM's Jada Hill. She is standing by live in Quincy. Jada?
Local police and prosecutors agree on one thing, that wearing a mask in Illinois is the law after a legislative committee approved it. But they have not yet to write any citations for violators, and quite frankly, they have no desire to start doing so. When you walk into a local business, you're required to wear a mask. Local police say that became a law when the state's Joint Committee on Administrative Rules, or JCAR, approved the governor's mandate. Still, Quincy Police Chief Rob Copley says his officers have yet to enforce that law.
We haven't written any tickets at all in town, even on the JCAR rules, but that's why there's a difference in handling that, because a rule made by JCAR is a law. A rule made by the governor is not necessarily a law.
Unlike the mask mandate, Copley says JCAR never approved the new restrictions on businesses, so officers will only educate business owners on the rules. Adams County State's Attorney Gary Farha says his office will take action on the mask mandate, but first he needs a prosecutable case.
Something needs to be done. Unfortunately, they haven't given us a lot of tools to do it, tools that are legal. We don't charge things knowing that we can't prove them.
Farha says the community has to step up before they're forced to take action.
They have a choice, and I hope that they choose the right thing to be safe for themselves and their families.
Copley hopes education can make things better because he doesn't want businesses shutting down.
Our governor chose to put it on the backs of local law enforcement, and that puts us right in the middle. And you know, we have to do our job. We have to try and keep people safe, but we also can't be heavy-handed in doing that.